Since it's a little heavier, you'll be able to have more control. Bottom reach. Good. You almost want to try to be able to stop it at the bottom. That's when you have more control. Control that change of direction. Good. Reach, pull. Reach, pull. Reach on the bottom, reach on the bottom, good. Reach on the bottom. Pull and stop at the top, good. Stretch, reach. Stretch at the top, good. Reach. Reach, pull, stretch, pull. Reach, pull, stretch, pull. Go. Straight arm, straight arm, straight arm, straight arm. Feel the lats, feel the lats. All the way, reach above your head. Good. Lats, lats, lats. Good. Go, go, go. Last one. Come on. No biceps. You don't need them. Good. You don't need them. Good. Lats. Good. Good.